Hey, this is Coach Bill 315, and I got Josmic, and we are about to do a big adventure for the summer, and we're gonna travel all over the west. Sorry, I got some PBJ in my throat, but we packed up everything, and now we're at our first camp stop. Well, like lunch place. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're gonna make some PBJs and some coffee, and then we'll hit the trail. But pretty excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be a blast. So hope you guys enjoy this adventure with us, and bon appetit and cheers.
Cheers.
Ding. Cheese. So we decided to take a small little detour and hang out with the king himself, Elvis, and apparently we'll be able to find his house around here as well. But the view is epic out here. It's not too far off the highway, so we decided, yeah, let's take a look at it. We're big Elvis fans. We're always listening to Elvis on Pandora and all that genre area. So this is gonna be a cool little adventure, small little detour, and yeah, Las Vegas. Josmic, if you need to use the bathroom, go. Come on. Come on. Bathroom.
Yeah, buddy.
Well, we just stopped for tonight. Traveled over 500 miles, and we got a nice little spot that we're gonna call camper tonight. We're just gonna sleep in the parking lot. We unloaded everything. Now we're about to eat some great, fantastic food. And how does it taste so far, Cosmic?
So far, so good.
We're very hungry. We already have our place already set up. We got the reflectix all up there. Turn on the light. But in there, that's where our home is going to be for tonight. We got some mini fans, and I don't know. We're gonna eat this food, and so far tonight, I'm just so excited that we are starting this adventure, and I don't know. I just been so excited all day today, especially like when the sun was going down. I was like, yeah, this is gonna be quite the adventure because we have no plans, and well, I guess I'll finish this, and good night, y'all. Mmm.